So the 3D designs are really a great way for the clients to envision the project and show you exactly what it would look like as a final product. We take a 3D model of their existing home. It really shows the landscaping, how the roof's covers integrate into the house. So the 3D designs are really great at capturing those little elements and details that you couldn't see in person. And it's a great way to show different options, like pergola versus deck, and it really helps them envision what would work best in this space. In Colorado, we have views of mountains, golf courses. It really shows off and adds ambiance to the whole space. The water, there's fire, and it really adds this kind of luxury level. And I think Mosaic Outdoor Living really provides that custom, hands-on experience of integrating these spaces.